This is question 6. What have you learnt about the technologies from the process of constructing the product? So firstly, during the research, what did we use? So like internet, like secondary and primary?
We did primary and secondary research. So for our primary, we went asking people about questionnaires for different age ranges so that we got everyone's sort of opinion and view on it. And for secondary research, we just looked at the internet.
So next, the planning. So what cameras did we use, etc.?
We used 2 video cameras. One was a Sony video camera, and we used an iPhone just so we could get 2 different views while taking the same shot.
When it was dark, was there anything we had to use?
Yeah, we used the flash on the camera when it was a bit dark.
So moving on to construction. So what editing software and like filters and stuff did we use to make it?
For the editing, we used After Effects and we used Sony Vegas. I used After Effects towards the start, and towards the end I started using Sony Vegas. I put a film effect, so you've got black bars on the top and the bottom just to make it widescreen like you see in most films which are made. And for the colour, which is the colour correction on the clips, I used something called Magic Bullet Looks, which just made the colour look a bit more realistic. And for the blood, it made it look a bit less glary.
We also used like sound effects and stuff. Like, did you put them on top? Or?
Yeah, we put the sound effects all in, but none of them were natural. Diegetic sounds.
Did we also have a score, like a certain song? Or?
Yeah, there was, like when something bad happened, there was a certain thing that carried on throughout, towards the end of the film. And then, very faintly at the end, when the kid's being pushed on the swing, there's a happy song.
So for the evaluation, which is the final thing we have to do, what type of thing are we using for feedback? Are we using pie charts or?
Yeah, we'll ask people what they think. We've put it on YouTube so we can get people's feedback through that as well.
Are we using any type of survey or anything to put on?
Yeah, pie charts.